Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS Tae with fortune analysis. At the request of an overseas YouTube subscribers, I have analyzed the fortune of BTS Tae. Tae, who is so handsome among the sculptures, had a wonderful fortune. I've analyzed his fortune once, so I briefly analyze the point this time. What kind of fortune would it be? The letter referring to Taehyung's self is a negative 3. A negative 3 is compared to a beautiful flower. But Taehyung has the same letter as him in his fortune, so you can compare it to a bouquet of flowers or a flower with several flowers in the field. That's why he seems to be working as a group as BTS, not as a solo artist. The fact that there is another letter like him is a person who helps him in times of difficulty, but it is also competition, so Taehyung is quite competitive. That's great. Pink heart means popularity and charm, but it's in the strongest position. It's obvious, isn't it? Blue hearts are energy, input energy. He has a good looks, listens to seniors well, and is very intelligent. He is very knowledgeable and likes reading and writing. He has a strong temperament to further personal development. Basically, having the ability to read and write is something that is common among successful people. He has already succeeded, but I'm looking forward to your future. The blue heart part in the picture is the energy that gives him a temperament that values value judgment, spatial perception, computational power, and results very much. And this letter means women and wealth. He has handsome appearance, women and wealth in his fortune, so it can't be better. And as you've seen before, he's also intelligent and handsome. He has both intelligence, wealth, and beauty. Taehyung picked out his job role and he's an educational businessman. He's so handsome that I thought he would only suit celebrities, but he has a very strong disposition as an educational businessman. And his future fortune is waiting for him to complete the system and do his own business through partnership. I'm looking forward to his future steps. I think he will do his own education business instead of continuing his entertainment career. But he will do education business related to entertainment activities by utilizing his career as a BTS. Today, I analyzed the fortune of BTS Tae, who is so cool and charming. The shape of the fortune was so similar to what was shown, and the fortune was wonderful. I wish him all the best and happiness in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.